Blackout season is upon us. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Kyrie 4 Blackout. Now, word on the street is this is actually supposed to be the last Kyrie 4 colorway to come out, and that makes sense because they would be shifting more to the Kyrie Low, which just released. It makes sense for them to shift to the Kyrie Low with a more low-cut appearance. But if it's not, that's okay, because I can pick up more of these, so it's win-win for me. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Kyrie 4 box with the basketball pattern, the Kyrie word mark, and the 4 logo on the back. And the colorway is triple black because Blackout colorway. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a combination of mesh, plastic, and leather to provide the details of this blacked out shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you got the patterned arrow style detailing for the toe cap, along with this kind of synthetic leather on the toe box. Moving towards the tongue, you got the mesh tongue with the Kyrie logo on the leather tongue tag. And on the tongue tag, you got the third eye logo, which is a staple for the Kyrie 4. The insole is black with this kind of cool gray Kyrie Irving signature. Moving towards the medial, you got the more circular pattern along with the black plastic Nike swoosh. The heel features the same synthetic leather as the toe box does. And you've got the more neoprene back tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you got the circular pattern for the upper along with the black plastic Nike swoosh. The shoe features a black on black speckled midsole, and it features a blacked out outsole with a couple of like gray, cool grayish details going on the teeth of the midsole and extending around. There's a little bit on the outsole as well. Overall, this is a really decent colorway. Not a typical Blackout colorway, which is usually triple black. This has like the light gray details on it that kind of make it its own shoe. Now let's get some detail look to the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The Kyrie 4 Blackout hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 14th for a retail price of $120. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.